Dynamic timeline theory, changing the future. This theory says that the past isn't set in stone, and if you go back and change something, the future does change. In this version of time travel, you've got the power to rewrite history, and that can have some pretty big consequences. A classic example of this type of time travel is Back to the Future. Remember when Marty McFly accidentally changes things in the past and his whole future is altered? That's dynamic time travel in action. You can tweak events and those changes ripple forward, affecting everything that comes after. It's exciting because it suggests you're not just an observer, you've got the power to make a difference. But here's where things get tricky. You've probably heard of the butterfly effect, right? It's the idea that even the tiniest change can have massive consequences. Step on a bug in the past, and maybe that small act changes the course of history, leading to a totally different present. It sounds far-fetched, but in the world of dynamic time travel, it's a real possibility. You never know how those ripples will play out. This type of time travel is all about responsibility. If you've got the power to change the past, how do you know what changes are the right ones? What if you make things worse? That's the big question here. Just because you can change things doesn't always mean you should. At its core, the dynamic timeline theory taps into our desire to fix mistakes and shape the future for the better. It's the ultimate what-if scenario, where every action you take could have far-reaching consequences. But with great power comes great responsibility, right?